through it all together. Somehow never talked, and we're sticking down the shore. You're just bouncing around this effort to be made to make it work. I think it just came from playing the content game. I was, trying to find ways to, get my music out there and just get a bit more of a following on social media. And I just wanted to find a way to do something a bit unique and to stand out a bit. Manipulate to make the getaway speed and 272 stops on the London Underground, and I've completed station 124, so we're getting pretty close to the halfway mark. Still a long way to go, but yeah, I think getting over 136 will be a good milestone, and from there it's downhill, I guess, as they say. The idea to turn it into a fundraiser came when I was I'd say about 20-30 stations in, and I just thought because it was getting quite a bit of traction and a lot of the content and the videos is based around how much I'm earning at the station, and since I'm collecting donations from people, I just thought, this has fundraiser written all over it. And I thought, given that the homelessness crisis is a big issue these days, selecting a London homeless charity to keep it local as well would be quite relevant.